Some of you may know the name Wangari Maathai. Wangari Maathai started a movement that planted 50 million trees. Initiatives like these have two things in common. First, they use traditional planting techniques. And second, although amazing efforts in themselves, they are simply not enough. Every year, we cut down 26 billion trees, and governments and organizations from around the world spend billions of dollars planting billions of trees, but it is simply not enough to keep up with industrial-scale deforestation. And so the question is, how can we increase the planting rate while simultaneously decreasing the cost? Last year, I met a crazy NASA engineer with a crazy idea to machine gun plant trees using drones. And today, I am proud to be sharing with you how we are making this a reality. Our system works in two steps. First, we create a detailed terrain map using existing drone technology. We then generate a precise planting pattern. Second, we upload that map into our planting drone, which flies at 2 to 3 meters above the ground and plants a biodegradable seed pod. The seed pod penetrates the soil, is activated by moisture, and has all the nutrients for healthy tree growth. Our system plants at 10 times the rate and just 15% of the cost of traditional hand planting. By 2022, with 100 two-person teams, we will be planting over 1 billion trees each year. And we're going to need to, because the problem is enormous. Our primary markets by 2022 will be the USA, Brazil, and Indonesia. We'll start by targeting the extractive industries like mining and lumber, who have a profit motive and a regulatory requirement to replant their trees. We will then focus on the much larger restoration markets of governments, NGOs, and carbon credits. By planting at this scale, we actually have the ability to have a positive impact on local and global climates. Trees absorb 9 kilograms of carbon dioxide per year per tree. Planting 1 billion trees, we will be sequestering 9 million tons of carbon dioxide every year. And it's not just environmental benefits. The UN estimates that for every dollar we spend on restoration and reforestation, there will be $2.50 of local downstream income and benefits. So we will double the daily income of millions of families in the lowest income bracket around the world. In addition, our system reduces the cost of planting from $2 to $3 per tree down to just 30 US cents. This is a game changer. Currently, the industry is highly fragmented. It's made up of many small players. But with our technology, they'll be able to scale up and achieve their global targets. Our business model is spread over 3 stages. We've already launched our mapping system, where we are validating the technology and generating early revenue by providing these maps as a service. In our second stage, we will provide end-to-end planting services to large-scale reforestation organizations. And we already have our first customer signed up for 1 million trees in South Africa. In our third stage, we will put these planting units into the hands of reforestation organizations, both large and small, enabling them to achieve global-scale reforestation with a powerful new tool. Our system is highly scalable, and our business model complements that by enhancing the scalability. So coming back to our crazy NASA engineer, he has assembled an incredible team. Lauren himself has 20 years experience as a NASA engineer, working on projects like the International Space Station and Mars exploration. Within our team, we have 4 PhDs, 2 engineers, experience in reforestation and international policy. My name is Susan Graham. We are Biocarbon Engineering, and I invite you all to join us as we change the world 1 billion trees at a time.